it's your girl Dominique. I hope everyone is having a great day. I'm here with a hair video. I'm so excited to be talking about this hair because this look is so bomb. I've never had any straight hair that was like this long and looking this bomb. Like, I did this. Yes, I'm so proud of myself because yeah, I did this. So let me tell you a little bit. Okay, let me tell you the name of the company first. The name of the company is Lakihair, and you can go to their website. I will have it linked down below in the description box, along with the specs on the hair that I am wearing today and everything like that. So I do have a 18-inch bundle, 20-inch bundle, and a 22-inch bundle, and my frontal in the front is 18 inches long. So this is where the hair comes to me. So it comes like right below my waist, and I'm absolutely in love with it. I did have to bleach the knots on the closure, and I dyed the hair jet black just because I feel like black looks so healthy and just so elegant, and I just love black hair. So a little bit about the company: you can go to their YouTube channel, their Instagram, or their Facebook, and their website, like I said, will be down below. So when I received the hair, like, this little packet came in there with it, and it's just talking about customer service, about washing the hair, and about how to care for the hair. I got the bundles. I also got a pair of lashes. I did want to show you guys a little bit of how I customized the frontal, so we're going to go into that clip now. Show you the inside of the wig after I completely made it, after I straightened it and colored and bleached it and everything like that. This is what the inside of the wig looked like. As you can see on the lace, I did get a little black color on it, but it's okay. You know, it's okay because that's when I went in with my foundation and I covered that up, so you can't even really tell that I dyed the lace. But when you are like messing with black color, you want to be really careful when you are doing the lace part. So after straightening the hair, this is what the wig looks like just afterwards, and this is how it looks on my scalp when I haven't applied any foundation to the lace or did anything, just taking it off the mannequin's head and just placing it on my head without any clips or anything in it. The inside of the wig, I'm thinking about adding some clips just for more security, or like a band. I have thought about gluing this wig down. I glued down my wig for the first time last week and I absolutely loved it, but I did get tired of like sleeping in it. I like to just snatch my hair off when I get home and just relax, but I absolutely love the look. It looks so much more natural when you glue it down. But this is basically the finished look after applying foundation, concealer to my parts, and everything like that. I'm really pleased with this hair, with this company. I know a lot of people ask about straight hair and just hair in general, like, does it get real thin at the ends? And as you can see, this is what the ends look like. It's not like full like the top, but I absolutely love this look, and it doesn't look so unnatural. It looks natural. But this is basically it. I don't have much more to say about this hair, this company, or anything like that. This hair, picking this hair, this is Brazilian hair, by the way. it was a great choice. I absolutely love it. I'm pleased with it. I would definitely order from this company again. Like, I'm loving it. Like, yes, honey. Ooh, this is bomb. I had no problem straightening the hair. I'm trying to think of anything that went wrong with the hair. Like, I absolutely love it. I haven't had any shedding, and it's kind of like hard to tell because, you know, I did pluck out hair, so I probably had shedding from that. But like, no, this hair has been great. If you guys want me to come back like in a month and do another update on how the wig has been holding up and how the hair has been doing, just let me know down below. I did sew on the bundles. I didn't use all of the hair that came just because I didn't want it too full. I wanted it to look a little bit more natural. But that is basically it. Give me a thumbs up if you love this look on me and if I should rock it for a little while. But I will see you guys in my next video. If you're not yet subscribed, make sure you go ahead and join the family and give me a thumbs up. And also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.